Hello, I am Daniel Dargis, engineer from Construction Daniel Dargis. Today, still on the theme how to find work or do business in the field of construction in Quebec, Canada, I want to talk to you in this fifth video about the importance of the value-adding construction business center at Construction Daniel Dargis. So what exactly is the value-adding construction business center offered here at Construction Daniel Dargis? You probably know what a business center is, where we offer offices, conference rooms, even internet and secretarial services to receive calls. But here at Construction Daniel Dargis, the difference is that there are, of course, office rooms to share, conference rooms to receive your clients in, internet service, even office equipment, a printer, lots of things that we have, like, say, available in a standard business center. However, in addition, the added value here is that I myself, as a business CEO, engineer, and general contractor, by sharing these premises with others, I also offer a marketing and project referencing service. It means that I welcome people as part of my activities as an entrepreneur and self-employed consultant, engineer, advisor. I receive my own clients at my office, and occasionally I refer them to other entrepreneurs or engineers who share the office with me as referencing projects. So here you have this very important added value for you who come from abroad. You may be a craftsman in the field of construction, a plasterer, a carpenter, or someone who has worked in the field of construction, or an artisan, or a manual laborer. You can also be an engineer, a newcomer, or an architect. You do not know the local building code very well, or you do not have a local network of contacts. You have no physical location to offer your services. As a self-employed or specialized consultant, as a professional in the field of construction, engineering, or architecture, you are in the process of filling out and obtaining your documents, but you have no physical place yet to receive your clients, to offer your services. So here, yes, you can benefit from these services. You can have a place of business here, and you can also have contracts, project referrals, under certain conditions, of course. I myself, I do not refer to just anyone. There are certain conditions. I talked about these in the other videos previously. So you have this added value of receiving services, of having a marketing department at your disposal, and of obtaining project referrals. Also, you have an entire resource pool of consultants and building experts here. If you have projects yourself and you have doubts about how to manage a project, how to estimate, how to bid, how to deal with a customer, how to approach a project, well, I'm there. I'm someone with experience in the field of construction to advise you in your projects as an expert, as a resource consultant in the Value-Adding Business Center at Construction Daniel Dargis. Also, you will have a large library at your disposal where there are many volumes available in the field of construction, architecture, the building code, the building structures. So they are all terms related to the building code that applies here in Quebec, Canada. Also software at your disposal, AutoCAD, SketchUp, a lot of software that is used here in my computers, which I use in the office. You will also have access to these programs with my permission when I take part in these projects. And also, often, while receiving the telephone calls, when I get requests, well, I answer in a technical way. So it's not just a secretarial service or a secretary who answers to take calls and the client's number, but there is also a service to answer calls in a technical way in order to guide potential clients who may want to need your services. So, for instance, I occasionally receive requests to do house extensions, structural modifications, new constructions, important real estate projects, and feasibility studies. So I put all of this at your disposal to consult with advisor that I offer you as a service. You can participate as a professional, use the office space, and offer your services so that I can refer you as part of my activities, feasibility studies, plan, structural calculation, all of that to those clients who may need your services. So I invite you to visit me at the website called constructionbusinesscenter.com. This website mentions all the services, most of the services on all that the value-adding Construction Business Center from Construction Daniel Dargis offers. There are even information services, employment services, marketing services, as I mentioned. Of course, there are sometimes offices to share with plenty of services to help you get started, whether it is as a craftsman, specialized in your field of construction, whether it is as a professional, to start your business, to have projects, to start in the field of construction in Quebec, in Canada, or as a business to start up, propel your business, have contracts, and honor them well. So do not hesitate to contact me. I am Daniel Dargis, engineer from Construction Daniel Dargis. You can see several videos in the field of construction about clients and types of projects that I deal with on Facebook, Construction Daniel Dargis. Also on the website dargisconstruction.com, and I simply invite you to contact me to have an initial conversation, a conference call. Also, I invite you to look at the website called businesstripcanada.com, where you have all these services displayed there to assist you in all the steps you'll have to take from the moment where you are still in your country, go just to all the coaching, a conference call between your country and here in Canada with me here who advise you by video conference until your business trip and finally you doing the internship in a business in Canada. I will refer you to projects here in my office, in my place of business, value added. So that is what the Value Adding Business Center at Construction Daniel Dargis is all about. Thank you for listening. Do not hesitate to contact me. I am Daniel Dargis, engineer from Construction Daniel Dargis. Thank you and see you next time.